Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are searching for and writing hidden words in our picture. With your pencil, please circle the word jet. Jet, jet. Please write jet. J, e, t, jet. On that same boy, I can see the word bed on his shoe. Please circle bed. B, e, d, bed. B, e, d, bed. The next student over, on the pencil eraser, I see the word web. Please circle the word web. W, e, b, web. W, e, b, web. On her shirt, I see the word 10. T, e, n, 10. Please write 10. T, e, n, 10. On her shoe, I write the word pen. P, e, n, pen. P, e, n, pen. Our next student over is holding a pencil, and I see the word red. R, e, d, red. R, e, d, red. On his shoe, I see the word net. N, e, t. Please write net. N, e, t, net. Our next student over, in her hair, I see the word hen. H, e, n, hen. H, e, n, hen. On her shirt, I see stem. S, t, e, m, stem. S, t, e, m, stem. On her leg, I see the word leg. O, e, g, leg. Please write leg. O, e, g, leg. Way to go. Turn your page over. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to go on a word hunt. We are going to find and write all the short E words. If it has a short E, we're going to circle it. If it does not have a short E, we're going to cross it off. Our first word is can. K, a, n, can. Does can have a short E? Nope. Our next word is kit. K, it, kit. Does kit have short E? No. Our next word is den. D, e, n, den. Does den have short E? Yes, it does. So we're going to circle it and write it on number 1. D, e, n, den. Our next word is pun. P, Pun. Does pun have short E? No. So we're going to cross it off. Our next word is sip. 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 Does sip have short E? Nope. Cross it off. We have fed. 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 Does fed have short E? Fed. Yes, it does. So we're going to circle it and write it down. Fed. Fed. Our next word is tap. 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 Does tap have short E? No. Cross it off. Top. 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 Does top have short E? No. Sad. 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 Does sad have short E? No. Bat. 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 Does bat have short E? No. Gut. 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 Does gut have short E? No. Wig. 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 Does wig have short E? No. Pin. 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 Does pin have short E? No. Yet. Does yet have short E? Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. Yet. The next word is set. Set. Does set have short E? Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. Set. Our next word on the tire is beg. Beg. Does beg have short E? Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. Beg. Hen. Hen. Does hen have short E? Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. Hen. Does cab have short E? Cab. No, it doesn't. Run. Run. Does run have short E? No, it doesn't. Cross it off. Him. Him. Does him have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Our next word is rub. Rub. Does rub have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Log. Log. Does log have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Van. Van. Does van have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Get. Get. Does get have short E? Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. Get. Our next word is map. Map. Does map have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Under the bench, we have jam. Jam. Does jam have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Not. Not. Does not have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Box. 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 Does box have short E? Nope. Cross it off. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Does pen have short E? P-E-N. Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. P-E-N. Pen. On the boy's pants, the word is red. 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 Does red have short E? Yes, it does. Circle it and write it down. Red. Red. Last word, dig. D-I-G. Dig. Does dig have short E? No, it doesn't. Cross it off. Way to go, finding all those words with short E. Short E says eh. I'm proud of you. Good job.